We're at Gold Reef City with Amu. She decided that we need to do one last thing before school starts. Fresh reaction. I'm ready to go back home. Okay, that was nice, not bad, not scary at all. Yeah.
Hello,
yeah.
I'm looking for girls. I'm single and ready to mingle.
And what's your Instagram handle?
Max Utah. Y-U-T-A-R.
My name is Mark Oxlong.
Okay. Are you on YouTube? What's your YouTube channel?
Play lifestyle and Forex.
Do you like my fashion? I'm good.
My name is Mark Oxlong.
See, he doesn't have good fashion. Look at me.
Yeah.
The fashion.
I like the flowers on the side.
Toggles.
Looking to meet a 12-year-old girl. Daniel.
No, he's lying.
Hey guys, I'm in the bathroom now. Yeah, I just had to come and change my pants because I was wearing 2 pairs of pants and now I'm feeling hot. You can see these are like winter pants. I had to come and take them off, but yeah, I really like my hairstyle and stuff. We're still at Gold Reef City, guys. Also, I met these sweet boys. They put me under so much pressure. They're like, you should post. When are you posting the video? So now I need to make sure that this video is out like within a week, and I'm already editing one video, so yeah, that's a little, you know. I didn't show you guys my OOTD. Let me try and do that here. Not gonna work. Oh, definitely gonna work. TD. I'm wearing from the top a denim jacket, and then I'm wearing this Nike bodysuit. Can also do this if I want. I don't know how that looks. Let me fix you guys. You guys are literally on a tab, okay? So, yeah. I don't actually know this, okay? Yeah. So, black leggings. I'm wearing white Nike shoes and my very comfortable running shoes. Because Air Force is not really comfortable. And then, yeah. You're feeling nauseous. So what do you want to do now? I think maybe mermaids. No, I will choose. I was not feeling well right now, so yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do. She's feeling a little nauseous and stuff, so yeah. Let's go get water. Guys, I was wearing 2 pairs of pants because it was so cold when we left the house in the morning. Look now, I have the pants on my shoulder. Okay, this is not what I was expecting. Look at Amu. Look at Amu. I need to see so badly. Oh my god. Kabana background. Now on a podcast. On a podcast. Guys, the way Amu was so cooked up. That was you, boy. Are you serious? No, swallow that, okay? Just a little bit more. Mzala, una phela ke sitotla so bye. Hello. Hey, don't swear. I saw stop. Okay. Yeah, that's really. Okay, my honest reaction was I want to do it again. I want to do it again. How are you feeling now, Amu? I'm feeling I just think go problem child. She wants to say hello to the vlog. Oh! Thanks, guys. Hey. In my next life, I'm doing kids. We at Amu's ride to the water log. Say hi.
Hi guys, I'm still feeling nauseous, but on the ride. Because I paid for it. Never
Definitely can't, because I'll pick up one thing with Abasoli ride. So yeah, waiting on the water log. I just hope my camera doesn't get wet or whatever, because I wanna
waterproof.
No.
Nihao, 我来自中国. Subscribe to their YouTube channel.
You on a vlog?
Yeah, hi guys, this is my family. Let me teach you. Petty what? Let me teach you.
Wanna teach us what? How to vlog. Thank you.
I think I'm fine.
Guys, he's shy.
How many subscribers do you have?
1,000. Really? What's your YouTube? But I'm getting to 2,000 soon. Come again?
As you can barely see me. Okay, now the lighting. See y'all in a second. We're going to the Anaconda.
And what's that? Yeah, I went in for